In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best car tire inflators available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the car tire inflators mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Ultra-Fast Tire Inflator Pump with 7,800 mAh battery. This powerful tire inflator ensures quick and efficient inflation for cars, bikes, and trucks. With a 7,800 mAh battery, it provides long-lasting performance, while the built-in LED light ensures visibility at night. It also inflates balls and other inflatables, making it a versatile tool. Designed for convenience and portability, this inflator is a must-have for road trips and emergencies. Enjoy fast inflation with an easy-to-use interface, making tire maintenance hassle-free. Number 4, Baseus Wireless Dual-Cylinder Tire Inflator. The Baseus Wireless Tire Inflator features an industrial-grade R22 alloy dual-cylinder, delivering 3 times faster inflation. It fully inflates an R195 tire in just 3.5 minutes, making it one of the fastest options available. Equipped with high-precision sensors, it provides accurate tire pressure measurement. The long-lasting lithium battery ensures up to 100 days of standby time. This inflator is designed for effortless use, offering reliability and efficiency for all types of vehicles. Number 3, Intelligent Digital Car Air Pump for Tire Inflation. This digital tire inflator ensures precision with a plus or minus 1 psi accuracy at 0 to 40 psi. It offers versatile voltage compatibility, supporting both DC 12V and DC 18V power sources. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi, it can handle various inflation needs. The device operates continuously for up to 30 minutes, making it ideal for roadside emergencies. Compact and easy to use, it is perfect for car owners who need a reliable and efficient tire inflator. Number 2, Rocoren Wireless Car Inflatable Air Pump. The Rocoren Wireless Inflator is a versatile pump for cars, bikes, motorcycles, and sports balls. It features 5 preset inflation modes with an automatic stop function, ensuring precise air pressure. Real-time pressure monitoring is displayed for accurate inflation. With rapid inflation speeds of up to 30 liters per minute, it fills tires quickly and efficiently. Lightweight and portable, it is an excellent tool for everyday use, keeping tires properly inflated for safety and performance. Number 1, CARSUN T2250 Wireless Tire Air Pump. The CARSUN T2250 Wireless Tire Inflator features a digital display for precise pressure control. Its all-metal pressurized cylinder ensures durability and efficient operation with a rated power of less than or equal to 120 W. The 3-meter power line provides convenience for easy access to all tires. Ideal for inflating car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports balls, it offers a compact and user-friendly design, making it a great addition to any vehicle emergency kit.